If I had my dollar to spend, it'd be making children's activities much more available and accessible.
For every dollar in the community, I think it would be well spent on probably education, but I think there's a greater part of that. Education isn't enough.
I'd be spending on mental health. I'm not quite sure where the dollar would go, but that's a big issue. And as I said, farming's a tough job and you get these tough times, and depression is a big issue and often unnoticed.
I would spend my dollar on supporting access for people who don't access those services already.
I think there's a real fear out there for people who haven't done exercise for quite a while that they don't know how, and it's so varied and broad now that it's not an easy thing to just get up and start. So I think there's a bit of leading the way and mentoring and showing how it's done before we ask them to do it themselves.
My first dollar I would spend on getting a resident doctor in the East Grampians Health Service.
If I could spread the budget far enough to have an extra dollar, I would really like to spend that on support networks for that youth, particularly youth mental health.
If I had another dollar, maybe just get especially blokes to the doctor at least once a year. Pick them up, I don't know, just get them there.